Building software used to mean months of code, a whole team of engineers, and a mountain of money. For most people with an idea, that wall was simply too high. You would watch the calendar flip and flip and flip while your idea sat frozen, waiting for a moment that never came. That era is over. Today, one person with no technical background can build a real, working, AI-powered product in a single weekend. Not a toy, not a mock-up. A live product that real people can actually pay for. 2 days, no code. Let me show you exactly how it works. Every modern app, no matter how complex it looks, is really just 3 building blocks. Block 1 is the front end. That is the part your users actually see and click, the screens, the buttons, and the forms. Block 2 is the backend. That is the database and the logic underneath, the engine that stores and moves all of your data. Block 3 is the AI, the brain that does the thinking, plugged in through a single connection. The old way meant writing all 3 from scratch by hand. The new way is completely different. Each block is now a polished, drag-and-drop tool that already exists. You do not build the pieces. Your only job is to snap them together. So let us start with day 1. The goal today is simple, structure, and connection. You open a no-code builder and lay out your screens by dragging pieces onto a canvas, buttons, forms, and lists. A real working skeleton in minutes, not weeks. Next, you wire that app to a database where every user, every order, and every record gets a clean, organized home. Then comes the magic moment. You connect your app to an AI model through a single secret key. Suddenly, your buttons do not just sit there. They think, they answer, they generate. By the end of day 1, you have a real, connected application running. It is rough and gray, but make no mistake, it is alive. Day 2 is where your project turns into an actual business. First, polish. You take that rough gray skeleton and you dress it up with real color, generous spacing, and a clean, confident layout until it looks like a product people instantly trust. Then comes the most important step of all, you get paid. You drop in a payment tool like Stripe, and just like that, your app can accept real money from anywhere in the world. Add a simple sign-up screen, a clear pricing page, and one big, glowing launch button. You take a breath and you press it. Your product goes live on the open internet, ready for its very first paying customer. 48 hours from a blank screen to a real business. So here is the entire playbook in one breath. 3 blocks, front-end, back-end, and AI snap together into one product. On day 1, you build the structure and make it think. On day 2, you make it beautiful and make it pay. That is a complete, live, revenue-ready software business built in a single weekend without writing one line of code. But remember this, a live product is also a target. The moment you launch, people will try to break in. So next episode, I will hand you 17 security prompts that lock your app down before you ever go live. Hit subscribe so you do not miss it, and I will see you in the next one.